Welcome to STEM Cell Friends, and today we're going to learn about, drumroll please, the Lucy mission. This is part 3, because part 1 and 2 have already been made, and just a quick note, part 1 has an error about Lagrange points. For a start, the Lucy spacecraft mission was a mission to see the Trojan asteroids in the L4 and L5 Lagrange points around Jupiter. These are held in Jupiter's orbit by the Sun and Jupiter's gravitational pull. These are thought to be fossils from the dawn of the solar system, and like fossils have told us much about Earth's past history. This could be clues about how the early solar system was like, and how things came to be the way they are now. This could also tell us how life came to be. To remind you, Lucy was launched on the 16th of October 2021. 1 year after its launch, it had its first Earth gravity assist. More about that later. This allowed Lucy to pass by the asteroid Dinkinesh in 2023 November-December, on the 1st of November. Lucy discovered that Dinkinesh is in a binary with a moon named Salam, which is in a contact binary, Salam, a contact binary are where two objects are so close and they're orbiting each other that it's almost as if they're touching each other. That's Salam. That's the case with Dinkinesh's binary moon, Salam. We'll explain now that's enough on the past. Let's look on December the 12th. On December the 12th, the Lucy probe had another Earth gravity assist. A gravity assist is where you borrow or give energy, in this case to a planet. So basically, the gravity of the planet pulls the spacecraft in and then accelerates it to the speed it's going at. If you're going from behind it. When I say behind, if the planet or object or moon is moving this way and this is behind it, meaning it slingshots itself. Meanwhile, if it's going in front, it basically loses energy because of the object's pull of gravity, and that slows it down. This is what allowed the Parker Solar Probe to get so close to the Sun, and New Horizons to be the fastest spacecraft ever to get to Pluto just before 2020. And it also allowed Voyager 1 and 2 to make their grand finale of the outer solar system, not Pluto. For the planet though, no need to panic about the planet or moon, because the amount of energy that is lost is so little, it scarcely affects it. If it did, so no need to panic about the Earth suddenly shifting orbit, just because of a gravity assist. The spacecrafts are simply too small, but the spacecraft gets a huge deal of energy. It really affects the small spacecraft compared to the planet. The second gravity assist has slingshotted Lucy on a course to meet the L4 Trojan asteroid. However, before it reaches there, on April the 20th, 2025, it will pass really close to an asteroid named Donald Johnson. This will allow Lucy, not Louis or Lewis, Lucy to test its cameras again. And this will allow us to learn plenty about Donald Johnson. And now you might be wondering, how are the Trojan asteroids in Jupiter's orbit holding there? Well, there are Lagrange points. Lagrange points are where the gravity between two objects that are orbiting each other, in this case the Sun and Jupiter, balance out. There are 5 such points. I won't go into depth, but the L4 point is 60 degrees above the planet. So if you were to draw a line to the Sun and then draw another line 60 degrees away from that, and pointed back into Jupiter's orbit, you'd find the Trojan asteroids, the L4 swarm there. Meanwhile, if you do the opposite, you'll find in basically not above but below, you'll get the L5 of swarm. It's really stable there because as Jupiter is not okay. Just to get this straight, at a certain mass, this relationship, the L4, L5 points will be unstable. But Jupiter's mass is still weak compared to the Sun. It barely even gets close to this limit. So the L4 and L5 are incredibly stable. This is why the Trojan asteroids there could contain clues from the history of our solar system. That is all for today. The next update will be in April 2025, about the 20th, but I can't guarantee. About maybe May or something. Also in 2027, Lucy will finally reach the L4 swarm. In 2030, it will conduct its third and final in the planned mission, Earth Gravity Assist, which will allow it to slingshot itself towards the L5 asteroid swarm. Now that is all for today. Signing off from Stem Cell Friends.